So the Office of Personnel Management under the latest Harry Reid plan, as I understand it, would manage a health care plan. It would be part of the package. So you'd have the government, Office of Personnel Management, is really part of the White House. Any administration has an Office of Personnel Management. Is this a good idea? I mean, or is this better at least than the public option where you'd have the government intervening more directly?
You know, the Office of Personnel Management, it runs, well, among other things, all the personnel things, but it runs the federal government health care plan.
Yes, federal employees.
Does it know how to run a nationwide health insurance system? I'm not sure, but under this plan, the government is going to regulate it. It's going to negotiate what these insurance companies across the country will set up these plans that people can enter. They will have certain premiums, I guess they will pay. It'll be subsidized by the federal government. In other words, if it looks like a duck, if it walks like a duck, if it talks like a duck, it must be a government-run plan. And that's only part of this whole deal that Harry Reid apparently is working out with Democrats to get to the magic number of 60, which he needs to pass this before the end of December. But there's more here, Ralph. I mean, there's going to be an expansion of Medicare, which is already in hock to, what, $36 trillion unfunded. An expansion of Medicaid for the poor.
Well, in what sense is it an expansion of Medicare? People 54 years of age.
55
to 65.
Can now enter Medicare.
Would be able to buy into that.
You don't have to wait till your 60s.
They'd have to pay money to enter the program, and they'd be charged another fee. Actually, it's not free to them.
No, but it's not free to the people who are now on Medicare, those people who are going to see $500 billion carved out of their benefits, and Medicaid as well. So, and this is going to add 3 million more people to the plan. I don't know, something that's already going broke, do you want to add more customers to that? I don't know. I think this is something that the government is going to be running this in a different way. But, you know, they're going to say every insurance company in the country is going to have to pay out at least 90 cents on every dollar. And when is that going to go to 95? It seems to me the goal here is to put
insurance companies out of business.
Insurance companies.
Yeah, I agree with you, Don. I'd be willing to go for some reasonable, sensible, progressive change. So far, I'm not sure there's any on the table. Thank you very much.
Stay tuned.